Okay, traders, I want to show you the results from yesterday's crypto trades, show you what we had on the charts, and then we'll go over to Telegram, and I'll show you how you can automatically copy my signals from Telegram onto your crypto account on your exchange. Okay, so first up, we're taking these based on, well, we've got a green shaded zone in the background. You can't see it so well. I think it's not so defined. Let me just open it up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. See how this green shaded zone started back here. So this is bullish, and we're using a combination of different indicators that are giving us the go ahead. Basically, we had this move and pull back here. See these signals, these buy signals? Whenever you see this indicator here crossing up, and you see the green background, you can see on the chart, and you get these signals here. Okay, it's always a fairly positive outcome, if you get in on a pullback. Now, I closed this basket of trades into New York. This is the New York Open, because you just never know what's going to happen when the New York market kicks off. So I ended up closing these in profit just before the New York Open, and we had a whole basket of trades. This is in the green zone here, this indicator, you can see that kicked off here. Nice little pullback, London Open, and then closed into the New York Open. And we'll just quickly run through and I'll show you the outcome. And then I'll take you over to Telegram and show you how you can copy these. Floki, Ethereum, and we had a Bitcoin. Now my stops are pretty wide. It would have been a really different outcome with tight stops. Let's just have a quick look at Telegram, and then we'll come back over here and see what's possible with this, if we were to go in with tight stops. Okay, so here we are. This is my crypto channel, and you can copy. Actually, we'll go over to this guy here. You can copy these, set auto trading. So when the signal comes in, for example, Tron here, you can view the signal. Okay, one click follow or auto trading. So if you click that, it will take you to this page here, okay, where you can connect your exchange, and you can set the risk. You could go with a percentage, let's say 0.2% to start with, or 0.1, and then as time goes by you could increase that, and then just go over here and click create bot, and it's a really simple process. Just follow the steps, and you'll be able to automatically copy my trades. Yeah, the results have been really, really good. We've had 2 really solid weeks with this, with the indicators and trading crypto at the moment. So it's fairly new. If you've joined VIP and you're following this, you'll see it over time. But here's the thing: if we were to go in here with tight stops, let's just say we set a rule. We go stop loss under the last the previous low, and then we go for, well, you'd have to go for this yellow line. that's resistance, and you just set your stop loss up under here. Well, we're close to 2R on this one. You could set that at a 2R target if you like. So there's 2R achieved. Ethereum, look at this, guys, tight stops. I don't go too tight with my stops. I give it a bit of room to breathe. But if you were to run with that, well, that's 4R achieved with these very same trades. Floki, again, look. So you can trade this yourself. Stop loss just under here. 2.4. Do we reach 2R? Depending on your stop. Maybe you closed it earlier, or you targeted this high here. So nearly 6R there, just in these 3 trades. And then you got Tron. I think that was actually my my setting. If we tighten up, right? So you could just run with these tight stops. So is that 8R achieved? Okay, so what we're looking for is, if you want to trade this yourself, you can gain access to the indicators, but when that is green after this dot, you can see the green line here, and then you get a red line over there. That's fairly strong, and then you get these green candles and this green shade under here, and this green kicks in. This is the higher time frame, multi-time frame trend. Well, actually, I've knocked off the daily. We've only got the 1, 2, and 4 hour here, but this is showing you what the daily is doing as well. Okay, so we've got the trend behind us with this green shade. We've got a bit of a pullback, a green signal, up triangle, take it, tight stop. Okay, so some real results. Now, actually, I kicked off this on the 20th of May. So these are the actual trades that were closed. We haven't had a losing trade yet. And then the first page here, they've all been winning trades. Now, some of these are showing zero. That didn't get picked up on the exchange, so it actually wasn't opened. But the rest of these, I mean, yeah, that's a pretty good win. Yeah, so what's it? 14 trades and 14 wins. 100% win rate over the last 2 weeks. Anyway, guys, you can take this for a free trial for 7 days. Let me show you something else. Okay, this is our Discord, and in VIP, look, I mean, I've been doing 2 mentorship videos a day. Pretty well guarantee I'll at least do one. And we go through the trades that we take. We cover the strategy, everything. You gain access to the indicators, daily watch list, bullish, bearish, and, learning center down here. You can learn all about the indicators and what have you. And then this is the general tab here. Daily ideas, market insights, everything's going in. I do this for a living. I mean, I trade for a living, and it's a joy to be able to share what I do with others. Invite you to join and take up the 7-day free trial. Yeah, so if you go to my website, you can see the link below there, anthonybourne.com. This is what you gain access to. There's a Forex VIP, Crypto VIP, mentorship, and indicators. This video here will show you how to get started. It'll go through everything for you. And at the moment, there's a 7-day trial, and then it's only $29.95. Okay, with 14 out of 14 winning trades on the crypto side of things. And if you're into crypto, I'll let you do the math. Okay, so with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and look forward to seeing you in VIP.